In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Canva. To get started, open Canva on your device and sign into your account if needed. Once you're on the home screen, the first thing you'll want to do is either create a new design or open an existing one that you want to edit. This could be a presentation, a video, a social media post, or any other project where audio would help improve the final result. If you already have a design ready, simply open it and wait for the editor to load completely so everything is easy to access. Once your design is open, take a look at the left-hand side panel where Canva keeps most of its editing tools. From there, click on Elements. This section includes a wide variety of creative assets, such as shapes, graphics, stickers, and also audio options. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, because Canva organizes many of its features inside this panel, and the search bar will help you find things much faster. After clicking on Elements, go to the search bar and type in the audio you want to add. You can search by mood, genre, instrument, or even by the kind of feeling you want your project to have. For example, you might look for calm background music, upbeat music, cinematic audio, or something simple and soft for narration support. Using clear keywords usually helps you find better results more quickly. As you browse through the audio options, take your time choosing something that matches the style and purpose of your design. The right audio can make your content feel more polished, more emotional, or more engaging, depending on what you're creating. If Canva shows preview options, it's a good idea to listen before deciding, so you can be sure the sound fits well with your visuals. Once you find the audio you want, you can select it from the search results and add it to your project. From there, Canva will usually place it into your design so you can continue editing and make sure everything works together smoothly. That's all it takes to begin adding audio in Canva. Keep your project's tone in mind while searching, and try not to choose music that overpowers the visual message. With just a few clicks, you can make your design feel much more dynamic and professional.